Reynolds, what is the dish?
So this is, of course, the first chapter of Alice in Wonderland, Down the Rabbit Hole. It's a caramelized white chocolate diplomat with pistachio sponge, matcha crumble, dark chocolate, and a vanilla caramel with lime yogurt. Ready?
Yeah, do your sauce.
We're ready.
I've got my hot caramel. It needs to be hot enough to melt through that chocolate and give that rabbit hole effect. I'm looking down at my plate, I'm looking at the judges, I'm looking back at my plate, and I'm just thinking to myself, please, it needs to melt it. And there it is.
There's the rabbit hole.
My dish is there, right there. It's down the rabbit hole. I'm just really stoked that I pulled this off.
Well, as per your usual specifications, it is beautiful to look at. However, let's hope it tastes the same.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Thanks,
Thank you. I mean, wow, look at that. We asked for fairy tale, and if that's not fairy tale in a bowl, my goodness. I mean, it just looks so magical.
When I saw Reynolds' reaction when the challenge was announced, I knew that we were in for something special. That is special.
Yeah, I don't even want to break this.
I know, it's so
It's criminal.
beautiful.
We're going to have to. All right, we're on.
Thank you.
I mean, even the twigs are brushed in gold dust.
Right. From the top, theatre, big tick for me. Like, really got the idea of the challenge. But actually going into the dessert, the diplomat is so rich. The dark chocolate's got that bitter edge to it. The yogurt snow's got the acidity. And the caramel sauce is just rich in an edge of saltiness. It's hard to fault as an overall dish.
Look, I think he's a legend, like flat out legend for doing that in 75 minutes. I appreciate the thought process that happened in no time at all. Hey, here's your challenge. It's fairy tale land, go for it. And then he just drops that bombshell. He's on another level in terms of concept and then a final dish. It's crazy. That would normally take so long to develop. It just blows my mind.
Did you like it?
I loved it. I loved it.
I think the word right there is bombshell. This is a bombshell dish on every single level. I mean, if there was ever a plate of food that has come through this kitchen this season that says, I am back to win, it's this dish.